It was supposed to be an ordinary morning at the small town court, but the courtroom was buzzing with excitement because today's witness was a parrot. The case began when a man named Imran was accused of disturbing the peace after his neighbors complained that his pet parrot, Sharu, wouldn't stop insulting them. Every time someone passed by Imran's house, Sharu would scream things like, "Lazy buffalo," or "Go brush your teeth." At first, the neighbors laughed, but soon the daily insults became unbearable, and they filed a complaint. On the day of the hearing, Sharu entered the courtroom in his cage like a celebrity. The judge adjusted his glasses and sighed. "Bring in the witness." People tried not to laugh as the parrot flapped his wings and shrieked, "Guilty? Guilty," the judge barked. "Silence." But Sharu squawked back, "Silence yourself." The entire courtroom erupted in laughter. The prosecutor stepped forward, glaring at the bird. "This parrot is out of control. He insults everyone in the neighborhood," he said sternly. Sharu tilted his head and shouted, "Boring. Next witness." This sent the audience into another fit of laughter. Trying to regain control, the judge asked, "Sharu, do you know where you are?" The parrot puffed up his feathers and screamed, "Court, court, order, order." The judge slapped his forehead in frustration, and Sharu immediately added, "Your wig looks like a bird's nest." Even the police officer guarding the door couldn't hold back his laughter. The courtroom was in chaos, with people wiping tears from their eyes. Finally, the judge threw his hands in the air. "Mr. Imran, you are ordered to send this parrot to anger management training, or, better yet, a comedy club." Sharu let out a triumphant squonk. "Comedy club. Free entry for all buffaloes." By the end of the day, Sharu was trending on social media as the roastmaster parrot, and Imran's case became the funniest trial the town had ever seen.